Are you a pre-med student, pre-PA, pre-nursing, or pre-anything wanting to go into healthcare? I'm Dr. Tanya Cormelli, board-certified dermatologist, graduate of the UCLA School of Medicine, and a former professor there. I can tell you that it is very hard to gain valuable experience, build your resume, and look amazing, and get a great letter of recommendation that sets you apart from everyone else applying for these very competitive graduate student program. After I made it in my career and have had so much success, it became my passion project to help other people also make it. It was mentorship that made all the difference for me, and I would love to be able to share my experience, expertise, and provide this wonderful course to help you learn so much and to be able to distinguish yourself in front of other candidates about your knowledge and expertise in this very exciting field in medicine.
So I'm super interested in dermatology, and I was just hoping to get some hands-on experience in the field, and I definitely got what I was looking for when I came here. They let me observe all of the procedures if I want to, anything I want to see, they're super open about that. So I was just hoping to honestly learn a lot more about the field, and I came to the right place.
I've learned so many things. The list can go on and on and on, but a few that have really stuck out to me is learning about dermatological procedures and terms, as well as prescriptions. I've assisted in biopsies, surgeries, suture removals. I love Dr. Cormelli. She is such a light to our days, always giving us, words of affirmation, life advice, advice for school and for the future. It's a really good place to be.
So if you're interested, or maybe even curious, you click on that link, you learn more and see if this program is for you, or maybe it's for a friend that you think would benefit from this. We look forward to working with you.